Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this bi-directional power delivery port from the manufacturer to do a review. It's made to accommodate a DeWalt lithium-ion battery, and you can use it to charge your cell phone, laptop, tablets, etc. So let's unpack it, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's take it out of the box. Comes with a user manual. Like a clip for the belt. Okay, this is made by eCarkey. And as I stated earlier, it does not come with a battery, but it's made to accommodate a DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. So let's go ahead and put that on. Here you have the power button. We'll turn it on and you can see the percent life of this particular battery. It's 87% charged. You have an LED light here on the front that can be used to illuminate an area. By pressing this button, you have 3 different settings: low, medium, and high beam. Press it again and it goes off. So you have 3 different light settings. On the back you have 2 ports, one to accommodate a USB-A and a USB-C. And the USB-C can be used to actually charge this battery if you want to plug that into an electrical outlet. So it's a bi-directional. Otherwise you use these 2 as outputs. So it does come with a belt clip. That's optional if you would like to use that. Just place that in here, tighten up the screw. Then you could use this to hang on your belt. So you can use it to charge up or power anything that accommodates USB-A or C. So I'll turn the power on, plug it into my laptop, and you could hear it accept power. And this light came on indicating that the battery is being discharged. So it is charging on this output into the input of the computer. Use it to charge my iPad. So you can see the lightning bolt on my iPad, that it's being discharged from the DeWalt battery to the iPad. Same thing on my earpods. Overall, I think this is a handy little charging port, especially if you're camping or outdoors, hiking and so forth, and need a quick charge on your cell phone. It does not come with a DeWalt battery, but anyway, you have these 2 output charging ports, USB-A and USB-C, that you can power laptop, iPad, your iPhone, and earpods. So this produces 20-volt output, 65-watt output. I really like the fact that it accommodates the DeWalt lithium-ion battery. So I would recommend this USB charging port made by eCarkey.